Hello everyone! This is Jukie Davie Crafts. We're going to be doing a very special craft today because it is Halloween! Woo! Halloween is my favorite holiday, and every year I always love to do Halloween themed crafts, and that is just what we are going to do here today. We are going to make spooky Halloween ghosts using cotton balls. Cotton balls. Cotton balls. This is one of my favorite Halloween crafts to do, and all you need to do this craft is cotton balls, of course, some glue. I think it's easier using liquid glue, but if all you have is a glue stick, then I think that should work pretty well as well. A piece of black paper, a piece of white paper, some scissors, and a pencil. Alright, the first thing we are going to do is trace the picture of our ghost onto our black paper. It should be pretty big. It should take up almost the entire paper. And now that we did that, we're going to go ahead and take our glue and sprinkle some glue all around the edges of our outline of our ghost. Then, we're going to take your glue and fill in the space of the ghost, like this. Then, you're going to go ahead and take your cotton balls and you're going to fill in your ghost where the glue is. You can put down the cotton balls as they are, or you can kind of stretch them out a little bit like this. If the glue dries a little bit while you're doing this, just go ahead and add just a little bit more glue to make sure that the cotton ball stays. Now that we are all done fluffing up our ghost, we are going to go ahead and put aside our ghost. Now, get out your other piece of black paper and your white paper. Now, with our white paper, we are going to sketch out our ghost eyes. Then, we're going to take our scissors and cut them out. Now that we are all done cutting out our eyeballs, now we are going to glue them onto our black paper. It'll make sense in a minute, I promise. Now, we are going to take our scissors again, and we're going to cut them out. Make sure you leave a little black around the edges, like this. Now that we have our eyeballs cut out, there's only one more thing we have to do to our eyes to make them complete. We have to draw out the pupils, right? So, take your pencil. We're going to sketch out our pupils onto our black paper. Then go ahead and cut them out. Now we're going to glue our pupils onto our eyeballs. Now that we're all done making our eyeballs, we can go ahead and glue them onto our spooky ghost. Our ghost is almost done. Let's see. What is our ghost missing? I know what our ghost is missing. A smiley face, of course. So we're going to go ahead and get out our black paper once again, and we're going to sketch out a little happy face for our beautiful spooky ghost. Then go ahead and cut it out. our happy face. Kind of looks like a mustache. Now we're going to glue it onto our ghost. And we are all done with our craft! Isn't he so cute? I like his little smile. Thank you so much for joining me in this Halloween themed craft. I had so much fun playing with the cotton balls. And remember, I would love to see pictures of your crafts. You can send me pictures of your beautiful crafts on my other platforms at Time to Tell a Tale on either Facebook or Instagram, or you can tag me. That works too. I hope you had so much fun making cute little spooky fluffy ghosts today. If you enjoyed yourself, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any great crafts. Yeah. I will see you next time on Jukie Davie Crafts. Happy Halloween, everyone! Cotton balls. Cotton balls.